Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Xandii Jamell. Today I'm being a little bit lazy. I didn't feel like doing my whole setup, so I'm filming on my iPhone 11 and hopefully it comes out right. But anyway, I want to come to you guys with a quick little demo on a cute, quick eye look. I already did the rest of my face. I'm trying this thing out, what I do my face makeup first and then do my eyeshadow last, because that actually does save time when you come, you know, in terms of going to work and whatever. So if you want to be beat every day, do your face makeup first and just, you know, do some cute eyeshadow later. I'm just blending in my concealer. I throw that brush in the trash. It's all scratchy. Okay, and I'm gonna use my Masquerade palette, my Panna palette for 2019. And I want to do a look using all shimmers. I'm gonna go into Zola, which is this shade right here. Let me put this mirror down. Let me take a minute to like clean up all this stuff because I got too much stuff here and not enough space. You know how your vanity or whatever gets messy after you did your makeup. Yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. Just a lot of mess in the way. Give me a second, y'all. Okay, so I'm taking this like NYX dual-ended brush, and I'm taking this side, and just a little more fluffier side, and I'm going in the shade Zola, which is this shade right here. I still have not hit pan in it. This is a horrible pan palette for 2019. We're gonna do better in 2020. I plan on doing that. Like I just didn't hit my goals and I feel a type of way about that. But anyway, I'm gonna take that and go right in here. I'm being very cautious with this because my face makeup is done. Like everything is done. I should have stopped to bake and then do my eyeshadow, but I didn't do that. So I'm gonna try to build it up. I think I'm only gonna use like 2 or 3 shades doing this. So yeah, I was getting ready. I gotta go to the doctor, to the bikini doctor that I go to every month. Yes, she loves to stay waxed, honey. She keeps it clean. And yeah, so I figured let me film a video while before I go to my appointment. And I'm trying to do better for y'all. I really am. I started a new job and work just been crazy. It's just been a hard adjustment for me. And on my days off, all I want to do is like take care of my business and like rest. But anyway, after I go to get my bikini wax, I want to stop by Ulta because I want to incorporate some, I want to start using lashes, y'all. I'm ready to go there, you know. Ready to go to the next level. I want to start using some lashes. I'm going to go into Makita, which I'm really close to hitting pan on. If I try, I could probably hit it. But last couple of months, I really haven't been wearing a lot of makeup. Like, I've just been walking around looking like a naked mole rat. I haven't been feeling myself, and it's been bad, you guys. It's just been real bad. But I'm getting there. I'm getting back to myself, okay? This bad bitch is tired of the basic bitch taking over. Going to the next side. I'm really tapping it off. I don't want no fallout. Okay. So now I'm gonna flip the brush over. And I'm gonna use this side, this like flat, square, fluffy side. And I'm gonna go in the shade Chai. This is like a blue purple. It's like a purple more towards the blue side. And I'm gonna just put that on the outer third of my lids and everything. But yeah, since I've been working at this one job, my new job, I go in really early in the morning, so I have to get up like at 4:30 or 4:45 a.m. if I want to wear makeup that day. I've been choosing to get my sleep and been walking around looking basic, but I'm tired of looking basic. So she's adjusting to the schedule, and yeah. All right. Now I'm gonna do some wings, honey. I've been really getting better with my wings. especially doing it without my little tape. I'm gonna be quiet for this part, y'all. And I'm gonna wait till I do the other side to fully connect the other one, because I want to try to get them as even as possible, even though it never works out because my eyes are just shaped differently. Oh, and this is the It Cosmetics Superhero Liner, and I'm taking a huge risk by doing my eyeliner last, because I'm still learning. Like, I haven't mastered anything. All right, let me know what you guys think about these wings. What do I need to work on in your opinion? So yeah, so after I go to my appointment, I want to go to Ulta and see what I can find. I noticed they be acting a little different when you go in with a full face makeup versus when you go bare. They want to service you. They take you seriously. I messed it up. Why'd I do that? Okay, I messed this up. What? Let me get a Q-tip. Now this thing is it really isn't waterproof, which I would recommend if you're a beginner to the, you know, the whole wing liner thing. Don't go to the waterproof, because then it'll be tragic. But I'm gonna just try to. So now I gotta add a little bit more, because when I wiped off with the Q-tip, it took a little off. Let me use this mirror, this little mirror, so I can get up all in my face. Like, you see, it's a little, I'm not happy. Why I had to do it? I always gotta do extra and like mess it up. You know, it's crazy because this used to be my hard eye with liner, and this used to be my easy side. Oh, I'm tripping. Concealer, duh. Concealer, guys, conceal. What time is it? Because I don't want to be late for my appointment. Why am I losing everything? I just had it. Where'd you go? Like, where are you? Oh my God, like, I literally just had it. This drives me crazy. It's like a hard game of I Spy. Where are you? Here you are. Now, if you do mess up a liner, don't keep like erasing it, reapplying it, erasing it, reapplying it multiple times, because sooner or later you just gotta throw in the towel. Because one time I kept doing that and I irritated my skin right here, because the skin right here is very sensitive. Okay, that's it. That's it. They going on with this lawnmower again, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. This is my finished look. The eyeliners, whatever. In fact, it's bugging me, but yeah, that's a good lesson. Don't keep trying to do extra. Sometimes you just gotta accept it what it is, because as you see, it was way better than before. Just a quick rundown of what's on my face. I applied this after I applied my primer. I used my First Day Beauty primer. This is the Iman Liquid Illuminator. I like this better than the Jeffree Star, because I feel like the Jeffree Star one was a little bit too much, way too much glitterly, and this one is more like refined glitter, if that's the thing. And then I use my Kat Von D foundation for my lips. Oh, sorry, I'm like jumping ahead. I use my Colourpop No Filter concealer. All of the stuff will be listed down below, FYI. For the lips, which I'm really proud of, I use my Fenty Beauty Griselda lipstick. This the little, yeah, Mattemoiselle lipstick. I don't care for this lipstick on its own, but I really like this lip combo. I went ahead and lined my lips with it, and I used my MAC Nicki Minaj, what is this, Nicki's Nude lipstick, and to fill it in. And I really like how it all came together, because these two lipsticks, I wouldn't care for them by themselves, but together it makes a great lip combo. I gotta go because I ain't trying to be late to my appointment. Let me know what you think about this look. I'm drawing a blank, so I'm gonna just go. You have a good day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked the video, or not if you didn't. I still love you, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye.